Hey there! Get ready to experience the future of fun with the Flying Orb Ball toy, a high-tech hand-controlled drone that lights up, spins, floats, and glides through the air at your command. With its vibrant RGB lights, this magic hover ball looks like a neon shooting star, creating different flight lines in a boomerang effect based on your throw. Made from high-quality, soft yet durable materials, this lightweight and flexible toy is designed to withstand drops and bumps, automatically stopping when it hits furniture or other objects. Enjoy uninterrupted playtime with its USB charging feature, achieving a full charge in just 20 minutes for 8 to 10 minutes of continuous flight, while the enclosed propellers ensure safety for kids by preventing any injuries. Whether indoors or outdoors, this flying spinner drone ball offers endless fun with its smooth flight pattern, making it the perfect gift for kids aged 6 and up. With detailed instructional videos and instructions included, you'll be ready for your next adventure in no time. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and get ready to soar with this incredible toy. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.